Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to DGS Gauri Vituru E-News. Myself Chandana. Myself Shreya. Let's have the recent updates in the month of November. Principal M.V. Chikkajappa sir hoisted the flag and followed by the cultural activities. On 5th November, LKG and UKG students celebrated Fruits and Vegetables Day, and they brought different types of fruits and vegetables. Our UKG students celebrated Red Day. They adorned with red cloths. On 9th November, we conducted 10th parents meeting. Our principal sir instructed the parents regarding about the conducting night classes and 10th exam modification. 14th November, we celebrated Children's Day in our campus. On this occasion, our principal M.V. Chikkajappa, headmaster Manjesh Reddy, primary coordinator Sushilamma and L. Pandurangarao sir inaugurated the program and followed by the cultural activities by the students.
ಈ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ಈ ಹುಗ್ಗಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ಈ ಅಂಬಲಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ಈ ಓಕುಳಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ. ಒಂದು ನೆಲ್ಲು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರೆ ರಾಶಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಇವಳದೇನು ಕರುಣೆ.
On 10th November, Bharata Samskruti Pratishtana conducted Ramayana and Mahabharata exam to give awareness of Ramayana and Mahabharata to the students.
ಕುಲ ಕುಲ ಕುಲವೆಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡದಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಲದ ನೆಲೆಯನೇನಾದರೂ.
On 18th November, we celebrated Kanakadasa Jayanti. Students gave information of Kanakadasa.
November in our school, one-day orientation program conducted. Sri Srinivas and Sri Shashikumar, resource person from Bangalore and Tumkur, came and gave valuable instruction regarding science and for upcoming examination.
For watching BGS Gauri Binur E News, Jai Shri Guru.